A fixed point of reference of known elevation is called. Options A. Change point, B. Station point, C. Benchmark, D. Datum. Answer C. Benchmark. The error in measured length due to incorrect holding of chain is. Options A. Compensating error, B. Cumulative error, C. Instrumental error, D. Negative error. Answer A. Compensating error. In order to determine the natural features such as valleys, rivers, lakes, etc., the surveying preferred is. Options A. City surveying, B. Location surveying, C. Cadastral surveying, D. Topographical surveying. Answer D. Topographical surveying. The vertical distance above or below the datum is called. Options A. Reduced level of the point, B. Elevation of the point, C. Height of the instrument, D. Either A or B. Answer D. Either A or B. The rise and fall method for obtaining the reduced levels of points provides a check on. Options A. 4 sides only, B. Back sides only, C. Intermediate sides only, D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. An angle made by a survey line with the prolongation of the preceding line is known as. Options A. Direct angle, B. Vertical angle, C. Horizontal angle, D. Deflection angle. Answer D. Deflection angle. A tie line in a chain surveying. Options A. Checks the accuracy of the framework, B. Enables the surveyor to locate the interior details which are far away from the main chain lines, C. Fixes up the directions of all other lines, D. All of the above. Answer B. Enables the surveyor to locate the interior details which are far away from the main chain line. An imaginary line joining the point of intersection of the crosshairs of the diaphragm and the optical center of the object glass is known as. Options A. Fundamental line, B. Axis of telescope, C. Axis of level tube, D. Line of collimation. Answer D. Line of collimation. An angle between the inclined line of sight and the horizontal is called. Options A. Direct angle, B. Vertical angle, C. Horizontal angle, D. Deflection. Answer B. Vertical angle. The surveying used to determine additional details such as boundaries of fields is. Options A. City surveying, B. Location surveying, C. Cadastral surveying, D. Topographical surveying. Answer C. Cadastral surveying. A branch of surveying in which the horizontal and vertical distances of points are obtained instrumental observations is known as. Options A. Chain surveying, B. Plane table surveying, C. Tachyometric surveying, D. Hydrographic surveying. Answer C. Tachyometric surveying. The plotting of small areas which can be commanded from a single station is usually done on the plane table by the method of. Options A. Radiation, B. Intersection, C. Traversing, D. Resection. Answer A. Radiation. In any closed traverse, if the survey work is correct, then. Options A. The algebraic sum of latitudes should be equal to 0. B. The algebraic sum of departures should be equal to 0. C. The sum of northings should be equal to the sum of southings. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. An imaginary line tangential to the longitudinal curve of the level at the center of the axis called. Options A. Horizontal axis. B. Vertical axis. C. Axis of the level tube. D. Line of collimation. Answer C. Axis of the level tube. When the whole circle bearing of a transverse line is between. Options A. The latitude is positive and departure is negative. B. The departure is positive and latitude is negative. C. Both the latitude and departure are positive. D. Both the latitude and departure are negative. Answer B. The departure is positive and latitude is negative. The method of surveying in which field work and plotting work are done simultaneously is called. Options A. Compass surveying. B. Leveling. C. Plane tabling. D. Chain surveying. Answer C. Plane tabling. The working from whole to the part is done in surveying in order to ensure that. Options A. Survey work is completed more quickly. B. Number of errors is minimum. C. Plotting is done more quickly. D. Errors and mistakes of one portion do not affect the remaining portion. Answer D. Errors and mistakes of one portion do not affect the remaining portion. The reduced level of a point on the ground is called. Options A. Spot level. B. Spot height. C. Either A or B. D. None of these. Answer C. Either A or B. The angle between the reflecting surfaces of a prism square is. Options A. 30 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 60 degrees. D. 75 degrees. Answer B. 45 degree. When the angular measurements of a traverse are more precise than the linear measurements, the balancing of a traverse is done by. Options A. Bowditch's rule. B. Transit rule. C. Empirical rule. D. Any one of these. Answer B. Transit rule. The difference between the sum of the angles of a spherical triangle on the Earth's surface and the angles of the corresponding plane triangle for every 195.5 square kilometers of area is only. Options A. 15 second. B. 10 second. C. 1 second. D. 5 second. Answer C. 1 second. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options A. The distance measured parallel to the north-south line is called latitude. B. The departure is negative when measured to the left or westward. C. The distance measured parallel to the east-west line is called departure of the line. D. The latitude is positive when measured downward or southward. Answer D. The latitude is positive when measured downward or southward. When the angular and linear measurements are equally precise in traversing, the balancing of traverse is done by. Options A. Bowditch's rule. B. Transit rule. C. Any one of these. D. Empirical rule. Answer A. Bowditch's rule. A line joining some fixed points on the main survey lines is called a. Options A. Tie line. B. Baseline. C. Check line. D. None of these. Answer A. Tie line. A staff reading taken on a benchmark or a point of known elevation is called. Options A. Intermediate sight. B. Foresight reading. C. Backsight reading. D. Any one of these. Answer C. Backsight reading. A line normal to the plumb line at all points is known as. Options A. Level line. B. Line of collimation. C. Vertical line. D. Horizontal line. Answer A. Level line. The projection of a transverse line on a line perpendicular to the meridian is known as. Options A. Departure of the line. B. Latitude of the line. C. Coordinate of the line. D. Bearing of the line. Answer A. Departure of the line. The angle by which the forward tangent deflects from the back tangent of a curve is called. Options A. Angle of intersection. B. Central angle. C. Deflection angle. D. None of these. Answer C. Deflection angle. When the length of a chord is less than the peg interval, it is known. Options A. Normal chord. B. Subchord. C. Small chord. D. Short chord. Answer B. Subchord. The vertical distance between any two consecutive contours is called. Options A. Contour interval. B. Vertical equivalent. C. Horizontal equivalent. D. Contour gradient. Answer A. Contour interval. The shift of a curve is the perpendicular offset from a tangent to the junction transition curve and circular curve. Options A. 1/3. B. 1/2. C. 1/4. D. Equal to. Answer C. 1/4. The curve used for ideal transition curve is A. Options A. Cubic spiral. B. Clothard spiral. C. Lemniscate. D. Cubic parabola. Answer C. Lemniscate. The contour lines can cross one another on map only in the case of. Options A. A ridge. B. A valley. C. A vertical cliff. D. An overhanging cliff. Answer D. An overhanging cliff. The contour interval depends upon the. Options A. Purpose and extent of survey. B. Scale of map. C. Nature of the ground. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. In indirect method of contouring, the best method of interpolation of contours is. Options A. By estimation. B. By arithmetical calculation. C. By graphical method. D. All of these. Answer B. By arithmetical calculation. The error which is not completely eliminated in reciprocal leveling is. Options A. Error due to refraction. B. Error due to non-adjustment of bubble tube. C. Error due to curvature. D. Error due to non-adjustment of the line of collimation. Answer A. Error due to refraction. Which of the following statement is wrong? Options A. The uniformly spaced contour lines indicates a plane surface. B. A series of closed contour lines on the map indicates a depression if the higher values inside out. C. A series of closed contour lines on a plane indicates a hill if the higher values. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above.